The thing about soil carbon to keep in mind is that soils are really complex systems. They're really variable. And not just that, they change pretty slowly, which is kind of an interesting paradox when you think about carbon crediting. Carbon credits are generally issued on a roughly 1-year time frame. From the perspective of the soil, that's a very short amount of time. So how exactly you go about characterizing that change is really a difficult scientific problem. This sector is really all about agriculture and the many ways that it can be harnessed for climate benefits. About 1/3 of all land is in agriculture. These lands are obviously critically important because they sustain us, they feed us, they give us food, fuel, and fiber, yet they also emit a lot of greenhouse gases. These lands used to be natural ecosystems at one time. To convert them to agriculture, we had to disturb the soil. A lot of carbon was lost in that process of land conversion. And one of the central ideas with this sector is that we can restore that carbon to the soils and then store it long term. So you have a very complex system that you're trying to harness to act as a long-term storage mechanism for carbon, to get that carbon guaranteed to stay in the ground for decades and centuries, and hopefully forever, is a pretty challenging prospect. So ratings are going to be especially important in this sector. It really does need a lot of scrutiny, to be frank. And so the ratings play a really critical role. That's why I came to BeZero, because I want to see this sector receive the due diligence it deserves. The team here at BeZero has really blown me away. There are many different disciplines coming together to help us understand these projects, the challenges and limitations, the promises and potentials. The team here just has such an open mindset to continue learning and continue pushing the needle on this so that we get it right. Soil carbon has been a relatively untapped sector within carbon markets. I think we're about to see that change.